Recording. Okay, fine. Now, so we do you want me to go through quickly revision what we discussed?
Yes, sir.
ORFA. So organization structures. So here this is basically SAP already provided the all the country. Okay, if the country does not exist, you have to enter here, but it's not required. Okay, usually it will be there. If you look at our country, then definitely SAP has provided country India version. Okay, someone has created. I don't know why this is coming double a couple of times, three, 4 times. Oh my god! But this is a training server, right? Just ignore. In real time, no one will touch. No one will do any changes to the standard settings. Copy reference chart of depreciation. Here we copy the reference chart of depreciation. There is no option to create new entries. So the reason is SAP already provided predefined versions, predefined chart of depreciations for each country. So here what you are doing, India, right? So in your case, India is not working properly. So I copied, Divya, I have copied this one. What do you say, Germany related, the standard one. Okay. So where is the Germany one? I took DE, which is DE. Uh, Let me check. Zero D
D.
is it's a Germany one. Okay, it's not there. I don't know which one I took. In your system, it is there.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, it's there here. Okay, but this is also yeah, the 1010 also you can consider it's not an issue. But in your case, it's zero D. It starts with the zero. Okay, check for the zero D E. Anyhow, I already created. And so in our case, in our practice session, we are using India 0IN. We are using this one, and we copied. We had given some identification TA98, right?
Yes.
And come back. So again, we have changed the description. Why we need to change the description? Because since we copied TA98, so we have just to change the description to our company code or whatever the description suggested by the business client. Copy depreciation areas. Since we copied the standard one, so system will give you all the depreciation areas, maybe 11, 12, 13, maybe many more will be there, right? One tax or group depreciation depends upon the country's legal requirements. Now it depends upon your business client, your business, okay? Depends upon the client what they want it, what exactly depreciation areas they want. That you have to discuss with the business. Okay, this is all the see the discussion will take months and months. Doing it in SAP system will not take much time. It will take hardly 1 week or 2 weeks. Okay, doing anything in system will take little time. Okay, but the discussion with the client will be it will take months and months. Okay, weeks, months. So you have to be very clear when you are discussing with the client for each and every requirement. Okay, so when I was configuring asset accounting for the client, I had shown everything. This is what I'm going to define in SAP system. I got the sign off copy. Then only I've done everything in the system. So you have to convince your customer also. You have to convince your client also. Okay. So since our company code has two currencies, one is local currency, which is company code currency, which is 10 currency type is 10, which is INR, and the second currency is group currency, which is 30 group currency. 30 is in our case it is USD. So we have two currencies into how many accounting principles we have for this company code? Two accounting principles. One is in Indian accounting standards, so another one is maybe IFRS, I think, International Financial Reporting Standard accounting principles. So two accounting principles into two currencies is equal to how many depreciation areas? Four. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, four depreciation areas. So that's the reason. So main leading ledger and leading ledger has one currency and another currency. So two into two, total four depreciation areas. So one will be real time, one will be it will refer to the another one. Is this is clear, Sakshi? Are you there, Sakshi? She dropped.
No, sir, I'm very sorry. मेरा mic नहीं
Okay,
work.
but Is this is clear, the
Yes, yes,
formula? Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay, fine. And so assign chart of depreciation, when we are trying to assign the chart of depreciation, position, company code TN98. So when I was trying to assign this one, I got 2 3 years here, 2 years, especially 2 years. One is taxable, non-taxable transactions codes like A0 V0s, which is 0% tax code for input and output tax, that one. And system was throwing some currency related. System don't understand what is 30 and what is 10. So for that purpose we went to general valuation. Okay, general valuation. And here under general valuation, here currencies, the second one, specify the use of parallel currencies. We have two currencies, so we need to specify if this is INR, then this is your, that is your group currency. Okay, it is covering all the currencies. Now come back, after assigning this, then only we will able to assign the chart of depreciation to the company code. Otherwise no, system will throw the errors. Okay, if you are able to do this one and this one, then you are done with your I mean, at least with the configurations you are done. I don't think you will face n number of errors in other transactions. If you are done with these two steps, you are good. You can go ahead with asset accounting scenarios, testing the scenarios. If you are lacking, if you are not able to move from here, then you are doing something wrong over there. Okay, so Divya, in your case, what happened is your system, someone has changed something in the major configuration settings, so it is not able to do. So what I have done, I have copied the Germany related sample chart of depreciation, then I have done it accordingly. Okay,
Okay, sir.
we'll see if at all if you're getting errors, then you need to see.
Okay.
If this is fine, then as okay, under this other structures, asset classes specify account determination. Account determination plays very important role to derive the GL accounts. Whenever you post any asset transactions, whenever you post any asset business transactions such as acquisition, depreciation, retirement, scrapping, and so on, any business transaction related to asset accounting, will the GL accounts will be derived based on account determination. Okay, come back, we had given some identification here. Okay, FFTN98 screen layout rule. Again, field status group, again it's a similar to your, it will control your fields while posting the transactions. Screen layout. And number range interval to define the number ranges for asset masters. Okay, so we have defined the number ranges. Asset classes, this is important. Asset classes are nothing but asset, you can say asset groups. I mean, one is like buildings, one is vehicles, furniture, fittings. SAP already provided predefined standard asset classes. Okay, if you want to define your own, you can define by copying the standard one. So we already defined FF, what is a TN98, right? Which is furniture and fittings, TN98. So this is, I have copied from the standard one. Here double click, you will see account determination and ascend it, screen layout, ascend it, number ranges, three steps, the early three steps. And don't change any other parameters. Come back. Okay, so master data is your done. You can close this one. Integration. So all the GL accounts will be, all the GL account related, all the business transactions related to, I mean any asset related business transactions, definitely system will expect some parameters. It will ask you to assign the GL accounts, it will ask you to assign the account assignments. Okay, so this part is posting. I mean, whenever you post some business transaction, system from the posting perspective, it will ask you some parameters. For example, GL accounts, for example cost centers and profit centers and so on. So mostly it will ask you either account assessment objects or the GL accounts. So assign GL accounts. So we started assigning, we already assigned some couple of GL accounts, right? So if you look at here, see account determination. As I mentioned earlier, account determination plays very important role determining the GL accounts. So if you select account determination and take your account determination FFTN98 if I am not wrong. So select this one under balance sheet accounts. So again, since asset accounting has very good functionality, very good feature. So based on the depreciation areas, based on the accounting principles, we can assign the different GL accounts. Okay, so for this accounting principle, I can assign different GL accounts. SAP has provided that functionality, but usually no. I mean, usually client will say that we don't want to assign different GL accounts, I want the same GL account. They will say the same thing. So this is used for business acquisition production cost. Whenever you purchase any asset, system will derive this GL account. Similarly, for the next accounting principles also, we had given the same thing. Okay, and I have asset. This is clearing account. Whenever you do any asset sale transactions, system requires this account, but this is not the balance sheet account. Do you remember when I created balance sheet account, system threw the error and we created a PL account? Anyone remember?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we change to PL account. And gain from asset, see, it depends. If it is, if you are selling the asset more than net book value, then you will get the gain. If you are selling less than the net book value, you will get the loss. So loss also you can assign the GL account. Okay, depreciation. Depreciation, again we can assign the differential accounts. Accumulated depreciation account, okay, this is a liability account. And expense, this is a ordinary depreciation. This is a PL account and this is your balance sheet account. It's a, this is your reconciliation account. Also your first one also balance sheet. Balance sheet also, this is also reconciliation account. So this is what we had seen last time. Okay, now let us go to the slash o aw01n. So we created one asset and we posted one asset, right? So if you look at here, double click here. So this is your asset acquisition. Go to the asset acquisition, asset accounting tab. You can see the 4 line items. So basically you are purchased asset from this vendor. Okay, asset purchased this from this vendor with a amount of 5 lakhs rupees. Now only 5 lakhs we had in the configuration, we had given 10 percentage. So on 5 lakhs how much it is? 50,000 per annum it is. So 50,000. So if you look at here comparisons, so on 5 lakhs it is 50,000 for first year. So per annum as I mentioned, right, 50, 4 lakh 50. So every year it is 50,000. This is called straight line method. Parameters. So if you look at here, it's a 10 years useful life. Depreciation key here. I mentioned straight line method. See, straight line method, explicit based on the explicit percentage 0012, and your base value based on the acquisition value 10 percentage. Okay, and yeah, these are the important parameters, especially percentage 10, and it's a straight line method. Okay, if you are coming back here, comparison, so every year it will deduct 50,000, but each period how much it will deduct? 50,000 divided by 12 months. So it will based on the days it will calculate it. We already calculated this one, right, Chari?
Yes, sir. Based
Okay,
on days
so
only.
we already depreciated 2 months. Depreciation done has been executed. We will execute one more time. Okay, for the next asset, I'll show you another scenario as well. Okay, so two depreciation has been calibrated for the 2 months. Okay, I mean two depreciation in the sense depreciation has been calibrated for the 2 periods. So 2 periods which is nothing but 8356. Together two it is nothing but 8356. So out of, so what is your net book value? 4,91,643. So as on today, it is the value of your asset is 4,91,643 after deducting the depreciation. Now, if you are selling more than this one, then you will get profit. If you are selling less than this, it is loss. You agree?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now what we'll do? We'll try to sell this asset. That's what where we stopped, right? I'll tell you what happened. So I'll open another one. Accounting, financial accounting, fixed assets. We are in fixed assets. Okay. Posting and retirement. So retirement with revenue, yes, I'm expecting with customer. So we have without customer also. I was trying to sell it out. So April May has been completed depreciation. I'm trying to sell it out on the 1st June. We'll see how it will get calculated. So asset retire, customer, right? I hope this is a customer. Press enter, press enter. So here I am trying to sell it out 4,92,000. So Sakshi, if I 4,92,000 minus 4,91,643, how much you should expect the profit?
Something about 400. 3 minutes.
क्या गलत बोल दिया होगा 4,91,643.84 minus, sorry, how much it is? 4,92,000. So you should get 356.16 profit. Okay, so let us see if you are getting the right value or not. So here text asset retire, and if you want to enter anything you can enter. So 50, I'm giving sales, asset sales, right? So select your asset sales account, press enter. So where is asset sales account? Asset sales, I have already created account, we already created account last time. I want 4,92,000. So this account belongs to the respective, I mean, what do you say, I think we had created under non-operating expenses. So asset retirement, click here, press enter. When you press enter, system ask you will ask you which asset you want to retire. You have to specify which asset. It is first asset only. We have only one asset. Complete retirement. What is 210? 210 is nothing but you are retiring the asset. There's an SAP has many transaction types here. Hundreds of transaction types are there. So I want to use, it's already predefined. It's already updated by default. 210. What is 210? Try to understand what is 210 here. The more you explore, the more the knowledge you will get it. Okay, you'll get the knowledge. Retirement with revenue, there is another option is there, retirement without revenue. So retirement with revenue, okay, it's already there, no need to enter. Asset value, I want to sell it out on the same date. Continue. Text asset retire, click on document, I mean on the menu part, click on simulate. We'll see if you're getting any errors. So HCL asset sales, document, asset simulate asset accounting. I want to know all the values now. 4,92,000. Now we'll understand exactly how the GL accounts are getting populated here. Okay, now customer. So we are selling how much, Sakshi, we are selling to the customer for what rate? 4,92,000. Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay, next 5 lakhs. What is this 1004? What is this 1004? Anyone can tell me what is 1004? Chari, Divya?
It's asset account.
Yes, asset account. Very good. So 1004, which is your main furniture fittings asset account. Okay. So it is now, it is coming under reverse order. Basically at the time of asset purchase it was in the positive mode. Now we are selling it out, it is in the negative mode. It's getting reversed. That's it. Now asset sales, yes, we posted the transaction asset sales only, customer to asset sales we have done. It's 4,92,000 same. And what is 2004? Anyone can tell me what is 2004?
Depreciation.
So 2004 is depreciation. Is that correct, or accumulated depreciation?
Sorry, accumulated
Okay,
only.
so accumulated because 2 months, right? Accumulated every month. So
Ah, yes.
liabilities 2004 is accumulated depreciation, which is 2 months. 2 months depreciation. So साक्षी ये दो मिला के कितना होगा उतना यहाँ update हो गया है. So basically you're calculating your accumulated depreciation till this amount we calculated it. So now you are clearing asset sale. It will be the same what we have sale. Now asset gain. Is this is correct, Sakshi? Now 356.16.
Yes, sir.
Understood the accounting document?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Is that clear for everyone, Divya?
Yes, sir.
This is very important for understanding. Okay, so now if they ask any question in the interview, you should be able to tell answer. Transaction. Now what we should do, come back and click on post. Now I don't think it will get posted, it will throw some errors, I think. Now you tell me, anyone can tell me. So we are posting DR document type. DR, it is expecting for another ledger, another accounting principle, it is expecting DR number range. Okay, so what we should do, click on view details. So click on this define document is for entry view in one ledger. Define document types in a ledger. So ours is T9. T9. Continue. System is expecting for the DR. New entries, it's up to you whether if you want to enter different number range, enter, but you have to maintain the number range. We already maintain number range with 70. If you are entering with 85 or 86, then you have to maintain the number range. Okay. This is not ours. See, SAP, we are utilizing the settings Sakshi, okay? However, you want to, it's up to you. With as I mentioned earlier, you have maida atta. Now, whatever you want to make with that maida, you can prepare any item. If you want to prepare jalebi or samosa, it's up to you.
Sir, I have one question. Like, why we are not created in that number range OBA7?
Okay, slash O OB A7.
Okay, got it.
So go to the DR document type, double click here, number range info DR. See, DR has 18 number range. This is for the normal for the center level. Okay, center in the 0 L, you can say. TN98 display 18 is there, right? This is for
Yes,
the,
sir. Got
this is for the leading ledger. Okay, one accounting principle. Now system throw the error for the another accounting principle. What is the
it.
number
Teen.
range? 70. It's there here, 70 also. T9. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
So basically, Divya, Sakshi, and Chari, for asset accounting, system will expect you for number ranges for the both accounting principles. Okay, you have to make sure.
Okay.
Okay. Ultimately, if you want to use the same number range also, you can just copy you can use the same number. You can use this 18 for T9 also. I don't think for in the system will expect a different number range, I think, for the other ledger. But here you can use 70, 75, anything for the different document types. Try once. You see, if you do the sum, if you are doing something wrong, then you will understand, right, what is the correct. So always do some wrong things over there. Then you'll know, okay, this is wrong. This one I have to do it. Okay.
Okay.
So come back. So is that your doubt clear, Sakshi?
Yes, sir.
I'm just closing this one. I don't want to keep multiple screens getting confused for me. Okay. So here what I'll do. So one error has been resolved. Click on post. Still it is throwing some error. Click on simulate asset accounting. So come back again here. Click on post. So 911 document got posted successfully. Display asset accounting. So system updated perfectly. 356 rupees 16 pice. Now go back to the asset master. What happened to asset master? Slash OAS03 master data. Of course, just press enter or you can just enter the master data. Now what happened? Time dependent. Sorry, under general tab itself, scroll down here. So deactivated. Now we can't do any postings for this asset master because you already sold out. Sell करने के बाद कुछ कर सकती है? No, right? So this is done. When we purchase asset, it has updated as capitalized on 1.4. Okay, and other things fine, and origin. So whenever we purchase for the first time, it got updated vendor also. Depreciation areas, this is fine. Any questions on the acquisition or depreciation calculation or retirement? Okay, now let us understand financial accounting, fixed assets, posting, um, unplanned depreciation. So till now we already planned the depreciation, right? So we don't have any asset. Will I will show you another scenario which is regarding to unplanned depreciation. Okay, let me tell you the scenarios what I'm trying to tell you. So acquisition we had seen, acquisition with vendor. Okay, we have without vendor also. What else we had seen? Depreciation. This depreciation is planned one, right? What we had seen next? Retirement.
Retirement.
Okay, retirement. Now let us take this one, keep it here. and retirement, this is also with the customer. Okay, now this one, depreciation, we'll see. Unplanned, I mean options, this either you can use, I mean depends upon the business requirement. Okay, I'm just showing the different options. Unplanned also is an option is there here, unplanned. And retirement without customer also we have that option. Okay, now we'll see all these scenarios. So this one is done, do you agree? This one also we had seen depreciation, this one also we had seen, this one also we had seen. Let us check, try to understand acquisition. Acquisition, spelling wrong, this is correct. Acquisition with vendor. Now let us go with acquisition first. Posting acquisition, acquisition, external acquisition. See here with vendor, this is acquisition with offsetting entry ABZON. Double click here. So first of all, see here we have an option new asset or existing asset. New asset, click here. Okay, description. So see, if you already have asset, you can check the existing asset. If you don't have, you can click on the new asset. Both options are there. Description, furniture fittings. I'm just I'm just giving two because two for identifying. Asset class, we have only one asset class. Select the same asset class. This is our asset class A50A 98. Cost center, we already have asset cost center as well. And now here we have accounting principle. It's usually we don't select any specific accounting principle. SAP already provided accounting principle as well as depreciation area. So let me take 0101, I mean initial acquisition date, so that we'll understand the values. Okay, amount posted, let us take 5 lakhs. Text, asset purchase without vendor. We are like purchasing without vendor. So here scroll down, if you have anything else, nothing, additional details. So here if you want to post with a separate document type, you have an option. And um, so system will expect here. Okay, let us either here or it will system will expect another place. Reference, okay, reference, you can mention asset purchase, control C, control V, can mention without vendor. Okay, it's not coming. Without vendor. Okay, just for notes, additional details. Of course here also we have note, you can write big summary. Okay, if you want to write, you can write asset purchase without vendor. And local file, I think you can attach some local documents also. Okay, and see many options are there, you can copy the data as well. Okay, come back to the transaction data. Now click on simulate. Finish. So system is throwing error here. What is the error? KTANSG contra account acquisition value could not be found for 01. First depreciation area, system is expecting KTANSG contra account acquisition valuation. So what we should do? We should go to the, where we should go? Go to the configuration. So as an accounts, TA98, account determination, go to the position, FFTA98, select your balance sheet accounts, book depreciation, double click here. Where is that? This is the one, right? Contra account
Yes.
acquisition value. If you are not sure, press F1 and select whether you are entering the right field or not. So here we have this one, and KTANSG. So if you look at here, KTANSG, this is the right one, contra account acquisition value. So we have to create one account. Here we have sessions. Yes. Contra account. Now this is the question. Uh, it's a balance sheet account. Okay. Balance sheet contra account. So balance sheet comes under balance sheet account. Create. So here, what do you suggest? Contra account goes to it's a balance sheet account. Yeah, is company is not liable. It's internal adjustment entry only. I'm creating a trend under asset only. Okay, 1006. What do you suggest, Divya, Chari? Balance sheet, asset. So I'll copy paste it. Okay, this one. Control C, or if you want, you can enter. Anyhow, business will give you the description. It's not clear at all. Contra. Okay, contra acquisition. Okay, contra acquisition for assets. Asset. Now control data. This is normal account. So balances in local currency. Don't update anything. Short key 018. Create bank interest. You can give G001. Click on save. A normal balance sheet account have created. So come back to the here and give contra account. So where is the contra account here? Contra acquisition account. Click on save and ignore the message. Continue. And we have one more also here. 1 and 3 also we have, right? Where is that one? I think I have selected here. That's the reason it is not coming. So here 1006. Save it. Click on continue. Continue. I hope everyone is concentrating. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Go back to your transaction. Click on simulate again. Now system is not throwing any errors. Absolutely perfectly 1006 came into picture. So what it is doing is acquisition contra acquisition asset, it's getting credited instead of vendor, it's getting credited here. So this option 1006, it's up to you now how you want to create the GL account. It's coming on the credit side, right? So now I have created on asset side. If you want to create under liabilities also, it's okay. It's up to you again. It's again business call. Okay. So it's their wish, it's their requirement how they want the account to be created. But this is internal asset. I mean asset. This is 1004 is nothing but your furniture and fittings asset. It is giving 001 because we have not created the asset till now. And it is picking document type AA. So for T9 also I hope for document type AA, for accounting principle T9 also I hope we have the number range. Okay, if it is not there, system will throw the number range. Click on post. Yes, we already have. So Sakshi, we have number range for the both. Okay, that's the reason. One is for the normal number range, one is for the T9 number range, because both accounting principles. As I mentioned, asset accounting system will post all the transactions in both ledgers in all the accounting principles. It's mandatory. You have to maintain the number ranges accordingly. If this is clear, second asset has been created. Continue. So go back here. Go to the we have do we have this one, right? And select the second one here. Okay. Again the same thing. There is no difference. Comparisons, because we are like using the same depreciation key, the asset master. So everything is same, no difference. You want to see the depreciation once, one more time? Go to the depreciation. Where is the depreciation, sir? Anyone?
Periodic process.
Good. Cherry is now becoming very active.
Not like that because I see that.
So second
Uh,
second asset, click on execute with the test run mode. Okay. Sorry, posting period is first for the first period, because for this asset we have not executed the first period. Okay. If I okay, one more thing. So if your previous assets are already executed for till sixth period and this is a new asset, what happens? The previous assets will, I mean, whatever the posting period you select here, then only it will get executed accordingly. Okay. Only for those assets which is not executed for that period, it will get executed. Yes. So it is coming in green mode, no errors. I don't see any errors. Successful it is calculating. Okay. And for why I'm getting, why it is calculating two times here, Sakshi?
Sir, accounting principle.
हाँ, गुड. डरा दिए मुझे, आंसर नहीं देता आपको अभी मारता था मैं. So after removing test run, remove to and go to the program, click on execute in background mode, because this depreciation run should be executed in the background only. Foreground it will not allow you. It will throw error saying that you have to execute in the background mode only. LP01, click on continue, immediate, click on check save. Okay, here itself either you can go to the SM37 transition or system services jobs, job overview is nothing but SM37 transaction. Okay, it's the same. Click on schedule and execute. So we executed today and with the test run mode, I think. Is it test run mode or I have executed in the production mode?
production mode.
Okay, then that's good. We have executed the production mode. Come back to the your this one. So refresh, go to the posted value. So this is not getting updated. Refresh your asset report. So the first depreciation posting has been completed. Make sense? Okay.
Yes.
Now what we'll do? So this is completed. Acquisition with vendor also we had seen. And okay, unplanned depreciation we have not seen. Let us, so since for this asset we have not done any retirement, still it is an active mode. Unplanned depreciation, what is unplanned? This is planned depreciation. Initially you know how much depreciation needs to be calculated. All of a sudden if you want to, some you got some requirement from the business, some unplanned depreciation is required. So unplanned, we can add some amount here, second, third, fourth, I don't know, I mean we'll see how it will get calculated here. Go to the unplanned depreciation transaction. Where is unplanned, sir? I think it should be under periodic processing. Depreciation. No. Unplanned depreciation. Periodic processing. Depreciation run. Year end closing. Fiscal year change. Not required. This is also not required here. Not required here. Asset. No. Miscellaneous. Manual. Aha. Here it's there. Manual value correction. See. Manual value correction. Manual depreciation, unplanned depreciation. Okay, unplanned depreciation, you have this option. When I clicked on unplanned depreciation, Sakshi, ABA is the transaction code. Unplanned depreciation, double click here. Asset, for which asset you want to unplan the depreciation? Second asset. What is 640 transaction type? Even I don't remember. Open the 640. 640 is unplanned depreciation on prior acquisitions. Do you think our asset is belongs to previous year acquisitions or current year acquisitions? Tell me, Sakshi.
Current year on.
So we should select 650 then. Unplanned depreciation on current year acquisition. Select 650. Continue. Why this is coming like this? 650. Continue. We'll see if it is throwing errors, we'll resolve it accordingly. Don't enter any other details. If you want to specifically, if you want to update a specific accounting principle, it's up to you. It's up to the business requirement again. So here we are planned. So we already executed for the first period. Let us take the second period, which is 1st May, right? So here, where is that one? 1st May 01/05/2025. So how much amount? Let us give some odd value, 23,000. I'm giving some big value. Okay, your usually your planned depreciation value is 4,000 something it is there. I'm just giving some odd value just to understand. So I'm giving unplanned depreciation value or amount. Okay, additional details, it's again you have an options. If you want to refer to the another document type, you can refer reference unplanned depreciation, and this is also unplanned depreciation. Divya, following right?
Yes, sir.
Don't do any other work, okay, while listening the class. Better to listen class only. Note additional details, it's not required. No, click on simulate. So system is system will not post any accounting document for this one. Okay, because it is just adding the value to the depreciation here itself. We are it will get posted when it will get posted when we calculate the depreciation. Do you agree? Earlier also planned this planned amount when it got posted when we updated the depreciation. Now also unplanned also will it will not get any posted. Is that clear?
Yes,
You
sir.
are adding the value, that's it. You are adding the value to the depreciation, unplanned depreciation to the planned depreciation. So for the second period I'm adding here. See, if you look at here, system will update here unplanned depreciation to be posted. It will get added here. So come back here, system has not thrown any errors. I think we have all the parameters. Click on post. So it's already there. Was posted in the sense it will not post anything. Okay, 002. If you want to see, we'll see. So go back to the this one, refresh it, refresh. So system will update 23. See, unplanned depreciation. Double click here, unplanned depreciation on the current. So it is not possible to display a document from the financial accounting. It's just it's what you say, it's you're inserting the value, but we have not posted anything else. So system has updated here. If you look at here, this is your acquisition amount, this is your of course both are acquisition value. Ordinary depreciation, which is 10% per annum, which is 50,000 on 5 lakhs. Unplanned depreciation is 23,000. So double click, okay, go to the book posted values, scroll down. So updated. Happy?
Yes.
So now when you execute the depreciation for the second period, system has to calculate 23,000 plus 4246.58. Is that right statement?
Correct.
Okay, let us see. So Sakshi understood now what happened?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now go back to the depreciation. Sorry, you said here, right?
Hmm.
Execute. So here I want execute for the which period it is? Second period. And I'm not going. Okay, let us execute in foreground mode. We'll see if you have any errors. Always do one thing, always execute in the, why this is not coming? I get only one asset, right? Cancel. TN98 2025 posting period 2. It's a test run mode only. It should give, right? It is not giving.
System slow answer.
No, it's not like that, sir. 2 second asset. Now it should come. Okay. So system is not now. This is not executing, sir. When I added 23,000, it's not getting executed. Now anyone knows what is the error by seeing this? No, right? Fixed asset with errors in at least one area. So system is throwing some errors. Red color ball here. So you have to see here message log. So what message log says is company code, this is fine. Company code TA98 accounting principle, TI is another first accounting principle, right? One fixed asset with processing error. KTAAFB accumulated depreciation account unplanned. Yes, for depreciation we have created account. For accumulated depreciation account we created, but unplanned we have not defined. KTAFB. Similarly for the another accounting principle also, KTAAFB. Okay, come back to the accounts. So go to the depreciation. So here what is happening? Book depreciation. Double click here. So earlier what we have done, one is accumulated depreciation, one is depreciation. Whenever you calculate depreciation, system will post a depreciation debit and accumulated depreciation credit. Now we are doing unplanned depreciation. Unplanned depreciation. Now again business call. So in my previous clients we have updated the same thing, but again you should confirm with your business for calculating unplanned depreciation. Do you need separate GL accounts or the same GL accounts? It's up to the business. Control C, Control V. Again this is also Control C, Control V. Now as of now system is throwing error for what? It is throwing for accumulated depreciation. If I assign only this GL account, again when execute, what it will throw? It will throw this error, right? Do you agree?
Correct, sir.
Okay, if I don't assign this, what happens? After assigning this, again if I execute it, again you will get this error. So instead of getting error again, so what I'm trying to do is I'm just copying both here itself. Copy again here, one, right? So where is another one? Okay, come back here, remove this, double click here. So update the values, click on save, continue. Okay, come back. Now go back to the error mode, continue. All these errors should go away now. Execute it. If you are still seeing the errors, then you have to resolve the errors. It's 10:15. सब लोग नाश्ता कर लिए?
I'm doing, sir.
छोड़ के खा लो हमको भी. So Divya, this is getting calculated, right? Divya, 23,000 also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is okay for you? It's calculating accordingly, right? For both
Yes.
ordinary depreciation and unplanned depreciation. Now you
Unplanned.
understood the difference. Ordinary depreciation, unplanned depreciation. This was nothing but planned depreciation. It is in green mode now. I don't see any errors. So just make sure that if you have the errors, you can't proceed. Okay. Click on. Now you have to remove this one. You have to remove this one. You have to remove this one. Then you have to exit in the background mode. LP01. Continue. Continue. Immediate. Click on check and save. So again, system, services, jobs, job overview, select the scheduled one because we schedule the job, click on execute. So which is the latest one? 1016 is the latest one, double click. So यहाँ से direct कर सकते ना. Select this one, click on spool, double click here. Sorry, don't double click here, you have spool here itself. Okay, it will go to the program. Spool, back. Okay, so it is calculating for the both accounting principles, your ordinary depreciation as well as unplanned depreciation. Make sense? Now see, for us it is very easy, right? Each and every transaction, it is very easy. You know, for initially when SAP has developed for each see, they have written very complicated codes here. See, include we have lot of code here. I don't know I'm not a programmer. I don't understand also. See, all this code. See, we are just executing the program. Just imagine how Abapers has developed the program. It's not easy, right? Just we are eating samosa. What about the person who has invented this maida and samosa? Each and every transaction in the background, one program will be there. Each and every transaction. Okay, you take any transaction. For example, you have this transaction. In the background, there will be program status. See, program is there. Double click here. See, the program is there. Under each include, you will have sub program will be there. Double click here. It will take to the program. See how much code they are writing here. Each and every screen will have some coding. Without coding, nothing works. We are just using front ends. We are using front end system. But backend system, ABAPers has developed the program code for executing these programs, for executing for running all these functionalities. So SAP took lot of many years to develop this application. They started from 1972. It's a very big, vast system. Any comments?
That is what, sir, user friendly. Now I moved to different project. They are working Workday, but my experience is all in SAP only and as
But
end user. When it comes to the Workday, even I'm not understanding that process, how it got posting entries, what is debit, what is credit, where is report. If I want to know the open items as of today,
mm,
I will not get in Workday. So whenever period closed and reconciliation completed, only then I got to know the open items. But here in SAP, then and there, whenever we required, we can open items, we can follow up on that. But in Workday, it is not possible.
okay, so let us come back to the business transactions of asset accounting. Acquisition we completed, depreciation planned we had seen, retirement with customer we had seen, acquisition with vendor we had seen, acquisition without vendor basis we had seen, right?
Yes,
Offsetting entry, and depreciation unplanned also we had seen. Make sense?
correct.
And retirement without customer also we will see, because we already have the values. Do you agree?
Yes.
So go
So
back to the,
general question.
yep.
So anyhow, we have a plan for depreciation, right? For
Hmm.
life,
Hmm.
useful life.
Hmm.
So what is the need of posting unplanned depreciation when
Sir,
it
you
is
have,
required?
sir, you have vehicle, sir. You have purchased a vehicle. Unfortunately, something happened to your vehicle. You will invest some amount, right, on that vehicle.
Okay.
What do you
For
say, sir?
maintenance, for maintenance.
I'm just giving small example. Just imagine a very big factory.
Hmm.
Some they will invest some thousand, hundreds of crores for that machinery. All of a sudden, they want to invest some more 10, 20 crores for that asset. Now, do you think that 10 crores of asset, the depreciation needs to be calculated or not? The additional cost.
Yes.
Think always from the business perspective. Okay, practical business perspective. Always you should think from the business perspective only.
Yes.
Don't think from the accounting, don't think from the what do you say, number point of view. I mean, from the business perspective, what happens if you just imagine, if you have purchased something, if you are investing again and again, then definitely. See, yesterday I purchased one some, what do you say, this for for my desktop I purchased one more equipment, right?
Hmm.
So it is what do you say, it's a speaker. I'm investing 4,000 for that, right? I need to depreciate that 4,000 also, along with the computer. I need to calculate that unplanned depreciation for that, even for that 4,000 also.
Okay.
Got the point?
Got it. Got it, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So we have, what is the left amount now? Go to the planned values. So 5 lakhs, 50,000 to 23,000, and come back. So we have net book value is, so ordinary depreciation, so ordinary depreciation, unplanned depreciation. Total we have 4 lakh 27,000. So 4 lakh 27,000. You want profit or loss? Tell me, Sakshi. कितना चाहिए लास्ट में देखेंगे अभी. We'll see 4,26,000. Okay, so but without customer. So what I'll do, go to the, now we'll see the another scenario. We'll sell the asset but without customer. Where is that option? Retirement option. Where is retirement? Here we have. So open this one, open this one. See, asset sale without customer. Open this. So here also the same thing, enter the asset and your sub asset number. Accounting principle not required, don't enter anything. So usually it will be applicable for all. And we when we for the 2 periods, right? So 2 periods in the sense, again April, May, June 1st. I'm trying to sell it out, this asset, on the June 1st. 1st June. I want to give the same asset value on the same date, and this is for the asset retire without customer. Okay, and here, now here manual revenue, or revenue from net book value. So we have an option here. Let us see what happens. 4 lakh 20, what was the amount? 4 lakh 26,000, right?
Correct.
Press enter. I don't think manual revenue is better to maintain. Let the system should calculate it. So asset retire without, okay, asset retire, control C, control V, without cost. Okay, now click on simulate. We'll see what happens. System, one more minute. We have partial retirement option also, and this is your current year acquisition. It is not prior year acquisition. Okay, note we have some option to write something here. This is important. And additional details, transaction data. Now click on simulate. What happens? We'll see. KTMI loss from asset sales. The system is all, obviously it is asking KTMIND loss from asset sale. Error when creating document, further processing not possible. KTMIND loss from asset sale. Loss from asset sale, where it is. So balance sheet account determination. Okay, we already have now balance sheet. So select this one, balance sheet account, book depreciation, double click here, and the loss from asset sale. See, because we have not maintained the loss from asset sale. So create one asset master. Where it comes, Sakshi? Loss and asset sale, where it will come? Assets or liabilities or expenses or incomes?
Expenses.
Yes, expenses
Loss.
and losses, expenses and losses will come here. So I'll create one more thing. Now here what I'll do, it's a loss. So loss is the next account is 3005, and here continue. Here give the primary cost, and here expenses. Now it's up to you. You want to put it as a non-operating or primary cost. If you want to impact your cost center accounting, then you have to update primary cost. So let us check. Earlier we had given non-operating. Now you can give primary cost. So system will expect some cost center. We'll see how if it is giving error or not. So what is I'm giving this one, but it is not gain, but it is loss from asset sale. Control C, control V. So control data here, just you can give customer category. It's a loss. Create bank interest. It is a G004. Click on save. Is it okay? Type description and go back 3005 to the 3005 account here, and next one. Okay, come back, remove this, select this one, double click here, 3005, save it, continue. Is that asset accounting is interesting or not? Anyone? Boring?
Interesting only, sir.
So here we are. So KTMIND has been defined. So what I'll do, click on simulate. So it is giving 4,26,000. Okay.
But we see errors.
Maybe a document type, I think. Account assignment. System is expecting, because 3005 is your
Primary
account
cost.
assignment, sir. Okay, we'll give some cost center over there. That is fine. I'm trying to understand what is this one. See, this is your accumulated depreciation calculated 8356. Again, accumulated depreciation 23,000. Okay, so it has been deducted to 4,26,000, and loss from asset sale is 42. How much loss we should expect here?
1000.
1,000. Okay. One six. Clearing account asset sale. I think this is not the correct. Let us check it from the netbook values. System is considering this one. Okay, click on simulate, enter area for, okay, enter area for determining the netbook value. Okay, let me put it here. Let me remove this one. We'll see how it is calculating. Simulate, it has to calculate. This is fine. Okay, it is, what it is doing is Clearing account asset sale. Asset sale. So customer is not coming into picture here. So 5 lakhs, 8356 23,000. So it is just booking here 4 lakh 68,000. 4 lakh 26,000. This is fine.
Sir, sorry.
बोलिए बोलिए बोलिए.
Sir, we thought customer means like we are just calculating our depreciation value, right? If there is no customer.
Sorry, sorry, Sakshi.
Asset sell without customer, what we understand with this without
कस्टम मैं
customer.
कस्टमर को सेल नहीं कर रहा हूँ, इंटरनली एडजस्ट कर ले रहा
हाँ,
हूँ
that
बस.
same I'm asking.
कस्टमर पिक्चर में नहीं रहेगा. जैसा जैसा एक्विजिशन विथ वेंडर, एक्विजिशन विदाउट वेंडर, इट्स एडजस्टमेंट अकाउंट, कॉन्ट्रा अकाउंट. दिस इज आल्सो कॉन्ट्रा सेल्स अकाउंट, जस्ट लाइक. So this is okay. This is also okay. Clearing
Where is
account
last
sale,
account?
and it's putting. It is not going to the loss account. If you want loss account, then system expects anything over there here. What is
Uh,
your what is your
Sir, do we need to give netbook value here?
I'm just thinking, sir. Netbook value is not required. I think so. Manual revenue. Manual revenue. If I give only direct 1,000 rupees, what happens? 1,000 rupees. Yep. Okay. So so it is giving like this. Clearing account sale 1,000 rupees. Loss from asset sale 4 lakh 67. So you should give 4 lakh 67 643. Understood?
Hmm.
4.
I think netbook value, sir, that is 468 643.
468 643. But we are selling it out for 467. Right, sir?
Ah,
Okay. If I give like this, what happens? Gain from it. There is no gain, there is no loss. Make sense?
okay. Correct.
Now, if I make it 7 here, what it should be? 1,000 rupees loss. Right?
Correct.
This is correct. Okay, makes sense. Is that clear, guys? No? Sakshi, Divya,
Yes, sir.
Chari, I think
Yes, sir.
Chari, you got it right.
Correct, sir. Correct. So here we are. So our
Chari is not compromising. He want 1,000 rupees as a loss.
uh, because we know what we are selling the price, right?
That's the
So
reason.
if
So
I
always make sure that try to understand this value, network value. If you're selling more than this, then it will be gain. If you're selling less than this, it will be obviously it will be loss. So 467, if I give 1,000 rupees loss, I will get it. Clear? Now what is the error, Chari? Now you're saying some error here. Now you should solve this error. What I should do for this error?
request account assignment cost center,
So what I should do for this one? Anyone?
we need to give cost center.
Where? Where, sir? Okay, B9. Remember Divya? Company code TA98. Uh, Copy. What is the T? What is the GL account? What is the GL account we created now? 3,000 loss on sale, right?
For last.
Press enter. So earlier this error we did not fetch for gain because we created as a non-operating. Now we are creating it as loss from
Primary
asset
cost.
sale. Okay, primary cost. That's the reason. Just make sure the difference. Click on save. Continue. I don't think now also it will solve the error. We'll see.
We have to give in manual entry, no? Cost center.
Oh, sir. I already given na there. No, there is no other option. Okay, anyhow, error gone away.
Okay.
Error gone away. Click on post. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, it got
Yes.
posted. Okay, both accounting principles got updated. Why this is not working? Go back to the this one. Now refresh your transaction. Everything will get closed. Posted values, yes. Retirement for current acquisition, 1,000 rupees loss. It is giving very clear picture, right? 1,000 loss, unplanned depreciation, ordinary depreciation, retirement revenue, and planned values. And here you have all the values here, and you have planned values, posted values. Yep, ordinary depreciation posted, unplanned depreciation posted, value adjusted 31,356. So both together. Okay, now go to the asset master. Asset master, where I can see asset master. This is your asset master, display asset master. So here also what happens? Go to the scroll down, got deactivated because we sold out. Now it's fine. So what we learned? Anyone can tell me what we learned till now? Acquisition with vendor, acquisition without vendor, depreciation planned, unplanned depreciation, retirement with customer, retirement without customer. Anything else? There hundreds of transactions are there, you can explore. Okay, so tomorrow I'll try to explain. This is what we had seen till now. Straight line balance method, straight line balance method.
Sir, hello.
Yep, hello, yeah, I'm here.
Sir, sir, I am leaving the class. Actually, I have to go somewhere.
We are done also, Sakshi.
Okay.
We are done
Yeah,
also.
sure.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yep. No worries. So straight line balance method we have discussed, and tomorrow we will discuss on the what do you say diminishing balance method or a declining balance method. Both are same. Declining balance method. Okay, make sense?
Yes.